everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today I'm going to be making a very simple and easy to make cold process soap. This is going to be our Kojic acid and papaya soap. Now this is going to give a very good brightening effect to your skin, lighten your skin tone and give an overall glow on your skin. This soap also will help with pigmentation on the skin and removal of tan. So we'll quickly go ahead and make the soap. Now here I have my blend of oils which I have taken. I have also added my kojic acid into this solution here, and here I have my papaya puree which I am going to be using. So we will mix our papaya puree into this oil right now, the oil mixture, and we will go ahead and give this a blend. Now the formulation for making the soap will be shared in the description box. These are the basic formulations which even beginners can easily make at home, even if you have never made these products before. For more advanced formulations, you all can always connect with me on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box, and you can join my workshops. So now we'll quickly go ahead and blend all these ingredients together. Okay, so I have gone ahead and blended this well, so you can see how smooth the mixture is. There are no pieces of the papaya. It's all a very smooth mixture. And here we have our lye water solution. Now for those of y'all who have never used lye, who have never handled lye, please watch my videos on the safety measures to handle lye. It's very important for beginners who are making cold process soaps. So here I have taken my lye water solution, and now I'm going to add that into this mixture, and we will go ahead and give this a blend till it thickens. Okay, so we have gone ahead and blended this. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and quickly add my fragrance to this, and we'll give this a mix. Here I have my mold which I'm going to go ahead and pour the soap in. So for those who want to make a very small batch, you all can use these type of molds and you all can make your soaps. Now once I have put the soaps in the mold, these soaps will only be unmolded after around 10 to 12 hours. So you need to leave it in the mold for good 10 to 12 hours and only then unmold it. Even if they harden, even if you feel your soaps are hard, please do not unmold them, otherwise it might be soft from inside. So keep this for 8 to 10 hours, 10 to 12 hours, and then unmold it. So once we unmold the soaps, I will show you all how they look. Okay, so I've gone ahead and unmolded the papaya soap, and this is how it looks after unmolding both the soaps. And these are highly nourishing, conditioning, good for skin pigmentation, to reduce suntan, to give you a better, lighter complexion. So this soap has a lot of benefits. Please do give this a try, make this, and do share your feedback of how you've liked the soap. And if you like what I share with you all, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.